how to use Microsoft Copilot to create images. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Copilot to create images. So let's get into it. Now, for those of you who don't know, Copilot is Microsoft's AI tool that you can use for free. It is even installed into your Windows, so you can open it up right here. And yeah, but if you can also use it within their own Edge browser as well. So to create images, all you have to do is just choose, more creative, more balanced, or more precise. And then over here, just down below, type in whatever you want to create. And then all you have to do is enter in the prompt and it should give you your image. And over here you can see Copilot GPTs. So you have designer, vacation planner, cooking assistant, and fitness trainer as well. So we're going to be using designer, so that is the main one, but you can just simply use Copilot, add it in, it'll automatically switch to designer. So let's get into it. So now I'll just simply add in my prompt and then click on submit, and it's saying it will create it. And then down below you can see the image being created, and over here it has created a few images. Let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, it is powered by DAL E3. So there are two images. Okay, it created these images, but this weren't really cool, so I added in another one, and I think this one looks really cool. Let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's very simple to generate images. So as you can see, this is a suit. This is the image that it created. So we can just simply go ahead and let's go ahead and click over here to fully view these images. So yeah, these are the images that it generated. These looks really cool. Let's go ahead and give it another prompt. So over here, this is the image it created, and you can see it really works. So this is how you did. This is how you use Microsoft Copilot to create images. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.